Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best rated water distillers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Megahome Countertop Water Distiller. If you're looking for a durable, high-quality yet compact water distiller, this one is a great choice. This product is approved by the Underwriter Laboratory, one of the most trusted global safety, independent science companies that determines strict safety standard compliance. This unit can make 1 gallon of distilled water in less than 5.5 hours. It distills water at 212 to create pure steam distilled water with toxins and contaminants eliminated. It features 6 optional activated charcoal filters that can be used if your water contains VOCs such as chlorine or other toxins that have the potential to form a vapor during distillation. The high-quality charcoal filters can help to capture and eliminate potentially harmful toxins to create safe, pure distilled water. The boil chamber includes a high-grade 304 stainless steel upper cover and condensing coils that are durable and rust-resistant. The outer body of the unit is also made of stainless steel that is both attractive and durable. The glass collection bottle has a convenient removable lid. What is really nice about this distiller is that it is super easy to use. All you need to do is fill the boiling chamber and press the start button. The distiller will handle everything else automatically. After the cycle completes, it will shut off without the need for intervention. The unit can even handle distilling seawater. Number 2. Our second best pick is Mophorn Pure Water Distiller. This water distiller is inexpensive and perfect for those looking for distilled water on a budget. The design is extremely comparable to other manual distillers, with a 4-liter reservoir and a food-grade stainless steel interior. However, the price is brought down significantly since the distiller lacks a glass insert in the nozzle and does not use carbon filters in the distillation process. It also uses a plastic carafe, although this can be a red flag for those who are truly serious about water purity. However, in that case, the plastic container can easily be exchanged for a glass carafe aftermarket. The total capacity of this distiller is also on par with other distillers, at 24 liters per day with a more realistic output of around 16 liters per day. However, users note that this distiller is unusually loud for a water distiller when turned on. One of the features of this distiller that even more expensive distillers lack is the temperature safety switch. Above 320 degrees Fahrenheit, the distiller will automatically shut down in order to prevent overheating. This provides reassurance when setting the distiller to run and then leaving your home for the day or heading to sleep for the night. Number 3. Our third best pick is H2O Lab's best-in-class stainless steel water distiller. This water distiller produces highly purified water with a significant amount of design intention focused on keeping your water clean. The interior is composed completely of food-grade stainless steel, but this distiller goes even one step further. It features a glass nozzle insert so that your water never even touches the stainless steel, but only glass throughout the distillation process. It also includes activated carbon filter pods, which aid in the process of removing volatile organic compounds. In addition, the distiller uses a smaller heating unit that boils water slowly so that there is less chance of the steam mixing with volatile organic carbons that are boiled off earlier in the heating process. Finally, the carafe that the water is output into is also glass for purity. The distiller itself has a reservoir capacity of 4 liters and is capable of up to 4 cycles per day. This is not as much water as comparable units, and full output means that you'll need to be changing out the water every 6 hours, which for many people includes the middle of the night. The main downside to this distiller is price. It is expensive up front, and replacing the activated carbon pods every several months can add up. However, the smaller capacity and smaller heating unit mean that this distiller uses less energy than comparable models, which can save money on your energy bill in the long run. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is COZ6L Water Distiller. This water distiller is proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a high-quality model. This distiller has a stainless steel interior for enhanced durability and comes with a plastic cover that makes it light and easily portable. These two factors guarantee its long-term use. This distiller has a user-friendly design, including a handle that allows you to carry it around with ease. It also comes with two buttons, red to stop the distillation process and green to start it. One of the features that set this distiller apart from the rest includes its large capacity. It can hold 1 gallon of water, which is enough to fulfill your personal needs as well as those of your family. This mode is also highly efficient and can distill 1.5 liters every hour. During the distillation process, it eliminates contaminants such as VOCs, dissolved solids, particles, and bacteria. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Waterwise 4000 Water Distiller. Waterwise has an established reputation within the water purification industry that spans over 4 decades. This is a countertop unit that is simple and straightforward to use. It consists of a stainless steel boiler that can produce 1 gallon of steamed distilled water in approximately 4 hours. Despite this impressive performance rate, the unit weighs only 10 pounds and stands 15 inches tall, making it quite portable to use in different areas of the home or while you're camping. It is ready to install straight out of the box, and the kit includes an additional replacement carbon filter, so you don't need to worry about maintenance for the first couple of months. The unit is also supplied with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, making it great value for money even when you need to factor in purchasing replacement filters after the first 2 months of use. This is a great unit if you need to create sufficient distilled water for the whole family. With its production rate of 1 gallon in 4 hours, there is the potential to create up to 6 gallons per day. It is also simple to use and easy to set up, making it highly convenient for a busy household. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.